Hello everyone, Kyle from Offroad Consulting. Today I'm going to talk about Powertank's Tire Repair Kit. Now we are going to be giving away a few of these in the near future, so stay tuned for that. But everyone knows Powertank makes a great product with their CO2 systems, but they recently came out with this really nice tire repair kit. So first off, it actually has the setup to fit on your MOLLE setup in your vehicle, where you can go through the holes, have it secured if you have one of those rack systems. But just opening it up and seeing what it has a really nice inclusive kit in a small little package. So it has needle nose pliers, a knife for cutting off the excess plug material, air gauge that goes to up to 120 psi. So that'll work great for some of your pickup trucks and trailers. Your normal tools for tire repair, the Allen for adjusting those. It has a valve core puller and a single, almost like a deflator type of thing, a couple spare valve stems, your cement and or lubricant for installing the plugs, and plenty of plugs. Also a little piece of wire for helping with any of the splices. And then it also has this little piece of instructions here. So the whole kit is very nice, stows well, has all these nice components in here. They put together quite the nice little trail kit, and like I said before, it stores nice and neat and secure in your vehicle, out of the way, on one of those racks. And you have everything you need for tire plug kit. Sure, you can add a couple other things to it for valve stem repairs and things like that, but a very nice kit. We will be giving a few of these away. Also, check out our videos. You'll see a video we did a couple years ago solely on tire repair. Now, we didn't have this kit in that video, but you'll see some of the ways to use a tire repair kit.